These are the 6 AI tools you need to use if you want to get ahead of 99% of people. Just by watching this video, you're already ahead of most people. But if you actually use these tools in this video, I know you can supercharge your life and your workflow and be able to accomplish anything. Let's get into it. The first tool is called Opus AI. This tool will actually blow your mind. Opus allows you to take long form videos like a YouTube video or a podcast conversation, and then it automatically splits that video up into clips. You can then download these clips and then post them directly onto services like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. It would take you hours to download a video, comb through it, chop it up, and export it into different clips. With Opus, this process literally only takes a few minutes, and it happens automatically. It actually puts captions on the videos for you as well, so all you have to do is post it. It'll also score each clip based on how well it thinks it's going to perform. All the content is basically done for you, and all you have to do is upload it to those platforms and then manage the pages. It's really that simple. This is great for getting your feet wet when it comes to posting online. The second AI tool you need to master is to master image generation tools like Midjourney and Stable Diffusion. But I'm going to offer a different way of approaching these systems that will pay off huge in the long run. You need to use these image generators to create assets that will give you leverage. What do I mean by this? Anyone can type in things like fly playing a piano or dog wearing sunglasses while riding a roller coaster. These images are fun to make, but in order to leverage this technology to its fullest extent, you need to learn how to generate assets that other people want. For instance, on Etsy, there are a ton of people who want to buy pre-made patterns for their business. You can use Midjourney to generate these patterns and then sell them on Etsy, and then you get paid every time someone buys your work. But I'll be honest, this example is really oversaturated, so here's what you can do differently. You need to start to be able to create digital assets that other people want, like logos, stock photos, websites, mockups, and other kinds of images. Logos are a great example because you or a client you might want to work with might have a very specific type of logo or similar to the style of another logo. Knowing the specific keywords and prompts to recreate similar styles will allow you to generate designs that are in tune with your client's vision. For instance, typing in a Fox logo will just give you some super generic designs, but typing in a vector logo icon of a fox, simple colors, vibrant, flat, dark blue background will give you something much closer to being usable. In order to get the most out of this technology, you should be able to get to the point where you can think of an idea and then be able to play with the prompts to get an image that fits exactly what you're thinking about in your head. Thinking about these tools this way will allow you to build a skill that others might pay for. And even if no one directly pays for you making art through Midjourney or Stable Diffusion, knowing how to get what you want from these tools will make you much more valuable to the overall marketplace. The third tool I want to mention is called Upscale, and this one is a quick one. Upscale basically does what it says. It's an AI upscale tool that instantly upscales your images to 4 times directly on your computer for free, and it works great with Stable Diffusion and Midjourney. This one is something that I use every day. I'll have all the links for you guys in the description below. Basically, you want to come to this website on GitHub called Upscale. Then you want to scroll down until you get to the releases section here, and you can pick your preferred platform. I'm on Windows, so I'll go to Windows, then scroll down and click on the latest installer. So in this case, I'll choose Windows, and then you would install it like any other application. Then when you install it, you should get a window that looks something like this. Now, all you have to do is just click on select image and then find an image of your choice. As you can see, this image pretty much sucks. But if we click on Upscale and wait a few seconds, you can see the before and after. It actually makes the image so much better. If you're enjoying the video, make sure to smash that like button. I run an AI automation agency called Horizon Labs, where I help businesses out by applying these AI tools. If you're interested, click the link in the description below. But now on to our next tool. The fourth AI tool you need to be using is called Runway ML. Runway right now has the best online video generator with a bunch of other super awesome AI video tools that you can get started with. It's free, and I'm just gonna jump into it to show you what you can start using with Runway. So you just type in Runway ML, and it's usually like the first link, and we can click on try Runway for free, and we'll click on try for free. And now there is a ton of different video tools you can play around with here. We have Gen 2 here, which is their newest and latest video generation model. A monkey driving a car. So it gives us 4 options here. We'll choose this one here. So now the video is done, and let's see what we got. this looks terrifying, but you can kind of see that it is a at least smooth video of a monkey driving a car. You're gonna have to play around with it to get some better videos. And yeah, some of these tools right now might not be that good. As the saying goes in AI, this is the worst this technology will ever be, which is kind of scary. So Runway has all kinds of other tools that you can come and play around with, like video to video, remove background, text to image, similar to other text to image generators, all kinds of stuff here. So yeah, go and play around with it. And another AI tool that you're gonna wanna be using is called Soundful. And Soundful is currently, in my opinion, the best music generator out there right now. It only costs $10 for the paid version, but they have a great free tier for you to get started. From there, you can generate unlimited music, which actually doesn't sound like garbage. They have a ton of unique templates to choose from. Soundful lets you play with the tempo and the keys to get a very unique sound every time. Every single song that is generated is unique. You can use this for any kind of content you want, and the best part is you won't get copyright strike for using someone else's work. So I'll hop into Soundful right now and give you a little tour of what kinds of things you can make. So right now we're on the home page after you log in. If you go to the templates section, you can see we have all kinds of things from action, chill, racing, like all kinds of different themes here. And then we'll generate a song using the synth pop disco template. So we'll click this button here, create preview. And you can see down here, you can change the speed if you want to make it slower or faster. Also, if you want to change the key or make it a minor or major key. Pretty groovy, it's not too bad. And then you can go and you can name it here. Then you can go into my library here and you can see all of your tracks, and then you can go and download it here. And the cool part about this is you can save as many tracks as you like, but you can only download the ones that you want. And I think you get 10 free ones when you sign up. And last but not least is of course ChatGPT, but for different reasons than you may think. Everyone is using ChatGPT to do their homework, write their regurgitated crap essays for them, but you need to think outside of the box. The insane leverage that comes with ChatGPT is to be able to become really good at a skill called prompt engineering. Everyone that I see using this tool inputs the same prompts like write me an essay about the Civil War, but these prompts are terrible. The outputs ChatGPT gives you are only as good as the inputs you give it. It's a predictive text model. So if you and another person put in the same prompt, you will theoretically get similar answers. This is why as this technology becomes more mainstream, it's key to get more creative about your prompts. Thinking of really specific prompts will allow you to get better, more customized answers that fit exactly the style and tone of the piece of content you're trying to achieve. This is how you can get around things like plagiarism. Of course, your teacher or boss is going to tell if it came from a chatbot when the chatbot has no idea the style or tone of how you write. You need to use your style and tone in the prompt to have the chatbot write a similar style customized text that sounds like you. And when you do get something that sounds off, you can have the AI rewrite that text to fit more in line with what you want. So that's my list of AI tools you will need to use if you want to get ahead. If you think I missed any, which I know I did, please let me know down in the comments below. Once again, if you're interested in seeing how these tools can be applied to your business, check out my agency, Horizon Labs, down in the description below. But that's all from me, guys. I'll see you all in the next one.